Hi guys, so we have an infinity mirror. Just printing out a box for it now. It's going to house this, and it's basically going to be on its side like this, at a slight back angle, not angle. Pretty funky, huh? I'll make the STL files, sorry, available on Thingy McVerse. But yeah, just hanging it there for the time being while she's printing away. First of many. I'll be doing a different one. I'm just using up some old LEDs that I've got there. You see these are the old type. By old I mean really old. There's a little controller on here. Focus, damn it. It's not going to focus. It wants to fly on the floor. Let's try the, yeah, so you can see the thing. There's the old stripped down. That's going to go in the box when it's finished, and I'll show you that when it's done. Oh yeah.